Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn stem stitch. Start at one point and bring the thread above the fabric. Pick some fabric on the line from back to front. Keep the thread on one side and pull over the thread. Again, pick some fabric on the line from back to front, the thread on the same side and pull the thread. Again, pick some fabric on the line, keep the thread on the same side and pull over. Continue the stitches in the same way throughout the line. This stitch can be applied for all thin lines and as outline in a embroidering design. You can use this in all straight lines as well as curved lines, especially for stems and twigs in our design. You should take care of two steps in this stitch. Number 1, pick fabric from back to front on the line. Number 2, always place the thread on the same side while stitching, so that it will look very beautiful with slanting stitches. I hope you can understand the stitch and you can be clear in learning the stem stitch easily. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. See, here I am keeping the thread on the right side in every stitch so that the stitch comes beautiful. I have posted many basic stitches for the beginners and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed those stitches, go to the links in the description and learn those stitches. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. This will look very beautiful with these slanting stitches. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future video. And this is the back view of the stitch where we see dotted lines. Thank you for watching.